friends. Today we are going to learn about our organs. Well, let me tell you what's the first organ. It's the heart. Its spelling is H-E-A-R-T. Heart. Okay then, let's guess what is the next organ. Well, let's see what's the next organ. I know what's the next organ. Our next organ is our kidneys. K-I-D-N-E-Y. Kidneys. And let's see, what is our next organ? Well, it's the liver. The liver spelling is L-I-V-E-R. Liver. And let's see what's our next organ is. Our next organ is our stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. And let's see what's our next organ is again. It is our lungs. The spelling of lungs is L-U-N-G-S. Lungs. Pretty simple, right? Well, let's see what's our